Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9797A. Only 68,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Cyber gray metallic in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. And family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 68,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and that is where the backup camera display is. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3-liter V6, 264 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.